trusty YouTuber. Oh, what? I'm yellow?
Just remember they're there.
Maybe I should stand up.
You later?
Sure. There's so many Washington, D.C. cherry blossom festivals. I can't find any New York. Even San Francisco, too.
Wait, you don't think
No, there's another guy there.
Where? Where?
Is that red?
Oh my god, I know this song.
Yeah.
I make Miku dance videos of these.
Yeah, I know. That's what. It reminds me of yours.
Oh.
When I saw that, I'm like, wait, this is.
Michael, I would go if you go.
Huh? But then I can't.
Alan's here.
You got me there.
You said as you go along. I'm
No,
holding
I
it.
told him. I told him. Like, you just record it and, we'll go.
Sure.
Epic fail! Look at that! Musicals! Yeah!
No, it's not going to be epic fail.
But you give it, give it to Alan. He'll hold it for you, and we'll go there.
I want to see singing part. Miku count number 7.
Number 7.
Yep, there we go, number 7.
I think she's one of number 5.
Oh, I didn't know she got a number.
She has because number 1. Adam.
Yeah, I'm supposed to have 2.
Really?
But lucky for him, he has shirt sleeves. Therefore, I don't need to. But Rin does. She has no sleeves. Second off.
Is it working out?
This is a good song. Well, I shouldn't